Does your app have plenty of features? I'll call you as a part of feature factory crowd. Think deeply. If your user is not using the feature, then your feature is basically a very expensive decoration. This video is for all the IT startups and MSMEs who keep shipping feature after feature, but adoption is low. You feel like you're running fast, but you're at the treadmill. You're stuck at the same place. Here is the root problem. You're writing what to build, but not how it will be used by the user. So your dev builds something correct, but the user life says, no Baba, that's not what I want. So the fix is Usage Spec. It is super simple. It answers how a real user use this feature in the real life with real constraints. Step 1. Write a 5-step usage flow. Example: user logs in, goes to reports, filters by date, exports to PDF, and shares it with the client. If you can't write this 5-step simple usage flow, your UI will be confusing and your support team acts like a product team, and that's not fun. Step 2. Write the first time experience. First time users are like guests at your home. If you don't show them where the living room is, they will sit in your bedroom. Decide what you want to show for the users who lands on your app on day 1. It could be a simple tooltip or a help topic, but this is very important. Step 3. Define one success metric. Only one. If you define 7 metrics, you will track 0. Example: export report is used by 30% of the users this week. Without a metric, every feature will be marked as done, but nothing improves. Step 4. Write the top 3 friction points where the user will get stuck. Example: doesn't know which filter to pick. Export button is hidden. File takes too long. Now you can design for reality, not for your assumptions. Step 5. Kill 2 nice to have features before you start. This is painful, but that's the secret. Every extra option adds UI complexity, more bugs, more test cases, more delays. If you want speed, you need to have courage to say no. Boring scales. Buffet doesn't. Let's do a quick analogy. Building features without a usage spec is like building a gym with 15 machines, but there is no door to enter. People can't enter, but hey, machines are shiny. That's how low adoptions look like. Now, next steps you can do it in this week itself. Number 1. Pick one upcoming feature and write a 5-step usage flow. Number 2. Pick one success metric you can track even with basic analytics. 3. Remove 2 optional items from the scope right now. If it's optional, it's optional. Don't lie yourself. Type in the comment box about how many features your app has versus how many of them your clients are actually using it. You will be shocked by the results. And for more shocking reality hits, like, subscribe and share. Until next time, take care.